Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So hot mess hair bun going on today. It is Friday. I'm actually home. That never happens, but my daughter's daycare was closed for a teacher training day. My husband had to be into work, so I took a PTO day and I'm home. She is down for a nap. I have been cleaning and kind of doing weekend things here on Friday so that my weekend is a little bit freed up. I think my husband and I are going to go see Jungle Cruise tomorrow, maybe. So I'll let you know what I think of that. And I realized almost all my bathroom hand soaps and my kitchen hand soap were getting towards the bottom of the bottle. So I decided to go ahead and jump on here really fast and just show you how I make my homemade DIY, what I would call more of all natural hand soap or whatever you want to call it. So real quick, I'll show you how to do that, guys. Okay guys, so just really quickly, these are all my little ingredients for what I make for my hand soap and my kitchen hand soap or whatever. So I have a jar of water, I have my empty soap containers, kitchen, master bath, and guest bath. I have all my essential oils here. Whoops. I have my recipe box just to kind of remind me. I keep this recipe on hand so that I remember the ratios. And the other main ingredient, Dr. Bonner's Pure Castile Soap. This is actually the baby unscented, but I mean any unscented castile soap or just, you know, good old castile soap that's already scented will be fine. So these are the containers I'm using. They are the foaming hand pump container, which is really cool. I didn't realize that that's what makes it foam, is the type of dispenser. So you could put any soap in it and it's going to create the foam because of the dispenser top. So let me go real quick to hand soap. Okay, half a cup liquid castile, 10 to 20 drops of essential oil, and water. Okay, so I like to do a different scent in each one. This one is my kitchen one. I think I'm gonna do orange. So let's see. My cute Mickey Mouse measuring cups, aren't those adorable? Let's see. Okay, half a cup. Oh wow, this is a brand new bottle. I just took it from my stash under the sink. Oh wait, no it's not. The cap just got stuck down in there. Okay guys. Well, okay, there we go. May have chosen the wrong measuring cup for this. We'll see if I can manage to pour it out of the ear. Hagrid, stop. Hagrid is always front and center when I'm trying to film. So half a cup castile soap, 10 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Now you don't have to do the essential oil, but most people like their hand soaps to be scented. Normally for kitchen stuff I use lemon, but because I use lemon in a lot of other things too, I think I'm going to use orange. So orange, 10 to 20 drops. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. And water. Now, I have made the mistake before of filling this whole container up with water, and I noticed while the soap still foamed well, it didn't lather and wasn't as thick for, you know, hand washing purposes. So, I don't recommend filling the entire container full. I'm going to go about halfway up. Now, remember, the castile soap that I just used is a concentrated soap. So while it doesn't look like much and you're thinking the water's going to water it down, it's a concentrate. So in other words, a little goes a long way and you're supposed to water it down. Give that a good shake. Let the oil kind of incorporate into it. And then you can see it foams nicely. So, all right, that one's done. The kitchen, I guess I'm going to go wash this off and I'll be right back. Okay, kitchen one is done. Now the guest bathroom one, Disney friend shout out. You guys are Disney fans, you'll know what this is. But this is the one that's in my guest bathroom. So again, half a cup. This is actually a lot more cost effective. I find this stuff just lasts forever. It goes a long way. Like I said, it's all natural. I'm making a massive mess, but that's okay. Doesn't have any of the chemicals in it. It's gentle for kiddos, babies, all that good stuff. I have a 7-month at home, and because of sensitive skin issues and just not wanting to have a lot of toxins in our products, our home products, I have started making a lot of them, which I really, really enjoy doing. And this is one of them. Okay, this is the guest bathroom, guys. What do you think? I guess lavender. A lot of people like the lavender. Let's see, what is that? Yeah, let's just go with lavender because that's pretty basic. I personally love eucalyptus. I could have eucalyptus scented absolutely everything and not get tired of it. But it's nice to have something different in each of the rooms for the soap. Okay, so there's the guest bathroom lavender scented hand soap. And I'm telling you, I don't know if it's just because of the containers or because of the fact that this is a concentrate and it goes a very long way. It takes a long time for these to actually empty down. Like, I want to say, I can't even remember when I had to refill all these. And obviously I did it at the same time because they all have gotten low around the same time. So anyway, just throwing that out there. It's been a long time since I've had to refill these. Now for the master bathroom, like I said, I love eucalyptus, so we're just going to go with eucalyptus. Just has that super clean, fresh scented smell. It kind of purifies things, and it also reminds me of like some of my favorite craft stores. You know, like in Michael's and Hobby Lobby, you can go to the floral section and buy, you know, the eucalyptus sprigs for your house, and they just are so wonderful and fresh and detoxifying in the air. So clean, love it. Oh, it just smells so good. Give it a little shake. And there you go, guys. That's how I refill all my household hand and bathroom hand soaps. All natural, easy to use, cost effective, and can pick and choose on your smells based on whatever your preferences for essential oils are. So hope you guys enjoy the video. If you also have some homemade products that you highly recommend, please let me know. I do have quite a few that I've switched over from buying in the store to now making, and I'm going to do a couple more videos on those as well, but I'm still looking to transition over a few others. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.